Ladies, attention. Now get ready for our national song. Our national song starts here.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Mलयजश शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Now get ready for We Shall Overcome. We Shall Overcome starts here.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we will walk hand in hand someday. We shall all be free, we shall all be free, we shall all be free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all be free someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid someday. We are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not alone someday. The whole wide world around, the whole wide world around, the whole wide world around someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the whole wide world around someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Stand it is. Attention.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I will wait, till the light goes green. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go right away. Thank you.
I am Sulagna Dev from class 7, here for telling the today's important. Today is Farmers Day, Harry Potter Book Day, International Day of Girl Child, and the birthday of Kamini Roy Kanika Bandavadhai. Thank you.
Silence and smile are two powerful Silence is the way to avoid many problems. Gautam. Thank you.
Palestine versus Israel war going on. NASA got a new planet to discover for life on the Saturn moon named after Kepler 22b. Thank you. Here is Mary Devda's sister to ask some GK questions to all.
Good afternoon, my dear friends and all respected teachers. I am Mary Devdas from class 7 for asking few GK questions to all. What is the full form of ICDS? I repeat, what is the full form of ICDS? The answer is Integrated Child Development Services. What is the ancient name of Mahabharata? What is the ancient name of Mahabharata? The answer is Jaya Samhita. Jaya Samhita. When was iPhone invented? I repeat, when was iPhone invented? The answer is June 29, 2007. In running World Cup cricket, in India-Australia match, Virat Kohli scored how many runs? In running World Cup cricket, in India-Australia match, Virat Kohli scored how many runs? Yes, the answer is 85. In Asian Games,